We are at Jvari Monastery, located nearby the town of Mtskheta. It was built in the 6th century and was carried out as one of the first Christian churches created in Georgia, and still stays as an active church today. It attracts lots of visitors for religious purposes, but besides that it has also historical significance. So stone cross on it, and then the church was built around it, so once you go inside you'll still see the remnants of the strange structure for the Christian temple to have shrine in the middle. It's not really typical for the Orthodox church, but this one in particular has, and plus you have the amazing views of the river of Kura, which is a larger river coming from the mountains of the Lesser Caucasus from Turkey and eventually flowing down to the Caspian, and then on the other side of Kura, merging with it, we have the river Aragui coming down from the Greater Caucasus and bringing all the glacial water. You can see the difference in the color of it.